Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best RC trucks under 300 in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Bezgar 17 RC truck. Bezgar 17 is another not-worthy consideration that'll be a perfect choice for kids. Here you'll get a 1/14 scale of RC truck. With the help of the decently powered motor, you can easily expect a speed of 25 km per HRS. Talking about the build quality first, it has zero flaws. The complete chassis of the truck is made with high-grade ABS plastic, whereas the whole structure is made with premium quality aluminum only, thus getting the lightweight characteristic without worrying about the durability factor. With its powerful remote, you'll have the competitive satisfaction of controlling an RC truck even at the full speed. Number 2. Our second best pick is DEERC Brushless RC truck. Want to achieve one of the highest speeds by computing the size? If so, this DEERC brushless truck will be the perfect fit for you. It comes with a low 1/18 scale but will surely provide you with the upper hand during an off-road race. The power and speed factor you get here is nothing as compared to the 110 scale truck. You'll get the support of its powerful brushless motor that rotated at a high speed of 95 mph. Thus, this allows your truck to achieve an exceptionally fast speed of 60 km per hour. Number 3. Our third best pick is Traxxas Stampede Control Truck. This one is for the Traxxas fanbase. The company was able to equity build its separate fanbase. And the main reason behind this was multiple Traxxas trucks covering everyone's needs. This time too, the Stampede is here to provide you with the utmost driving factor. Starting with the durability of the truck that company loves to boast about. Its complete chassis is built with high-grade ABS plastic to maintain the beauty of the truck without compromising the durability factor. On the flip side, for the frame, aluminum is used to attain the lightweight characteristic. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is ARRMA RC Monster Truck. The ARRMA is another big brand which you can completely rely on. And this time, the Mega 2WD RC RTR would be a nice pick if you want something within budget. Here, you'll get the same 110 scale with decent capabilities as well. This truck is equipped with effective components to withstand off-road conditions. It's equipped with double wishbone front and rear suspension to get the complete joy of driving a monster truck. Also, its wide wheels ensure you'll get a powerful grip in every harsh road condition. Other durability features are also up to the mark. The outer chassis is built with high-grade ABS plastic to ensure powerful durability and flexibility as well. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is HAIBOXING Remote Control Truck. This one is for your strict budget issues. The company provides you with a 112 scale RC truck with just a small investment of around $100. And when it comes to the capabilities, you can also compete with other high-end trucks up to an extent. Let's have more insight into this. The truck is equipped with two 7.4V batteries for power backup. Surprisingly, even at this price range, you'll get a runtime of around 30 long minutes. Thus, no more frequent charging without getting satisfaction in driving your RC truck. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.